Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In this menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, recovery mode, and after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery you have such options as install software, clear data, check system and enter safe mode. You can also power off or restart your device from here. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option restart and device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.